Hello. Artcam 2017. We are together again for the lesson. In this lesson, Mizertle. We will see your vehicle. When we click on Mizertle, here is a window that he gave us. The purpose of this tool is to grind distance. Distances on shapes. It is about being able to make preliminary measurements. Let's draw a shape for this. I drew a triangle here. And I enter Mizertle. Mavis in action in Mizertle. Mavis is on the move right now. Mavis in action. Cursor position in Mizertle. The one who chooses is the point of origin of my magma. It's in the 280s and on the y-axis. It shows their distance. And I clicked. And the far reaches of the point, as you have seen. That part. The trickiest position part. The first point I clicked on. What is the origin point? His distance at 280s is 188.90. At its distance on the y-axis. 219.0 as 98. It shows any distance here. That dot right there. When we want to have a threesome, we will base the distance here. Distance. Once you get the point here. 340-1, 340-8. I have seen all your measurements here. What do you understand? While blue's sailing right now. In the lower right corner of the Mavsen. You can also see from the articles. Other than that, it's okay. So there is the angle part. He already stated it here in his description. So Mavsen. With the first point. When measuring the distance between the second point. He did it with 280. So there it is. He did it with 280. It gives us the angle here. So here I calculate the distance from the distance part. From the distance section over there. While measuring, 340-1, 340-8, of this place. With horizontal axis. He did it with 280. Open up. It is 45 doce. I have seen it. Now I clicked here. I clicked. 75 somehow. I see. 45 degrees. So here. The one with 280. Of the angle. I see it's 45 degrees. The one over there. Why is the distance? It states this. This. Your second point. One by one. What happened? Two distances. So from here. What happened here? The loss of life. Seeing it here. HR 2041, 370. Your second point. Also the distance y. So this distance. Seeing it here. HR 2041, 370. Shaped. Thus. Thanks to Mizertle. 2. Between dots. Keep your distance. Its length. As we can measure. These 2 points. Its length at distances x and y. We can measure it. Besides that, our ictic taste is the one with the origin and point. Their distance. We can see, regarding Mizertle. That's all I have to say. See you in the next lessons. Let's boys beard.